Hello, car enthusiasts. Every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so don't worry, there's a solution for this. When this message appears in your vehicle, it basically means that the tire pressure monitoring system is detecting that something isn't working the way you want it to. Most of the time, it's not as serious as it seems, so relax. Recently, I interviewed one of my clients, and he told me the light came on after a heavy rain, but the tires were perfectly fine. So it doesn't always indicate a visible physical problem. In many cases, the culprit is a faulty pressure sensor. But it's also worth mentioning that another client told me I replaced a sensor and the light turned off immediately, no problem at all. The shop technicians explained that these sensors have internal batteries that, over time, can run out or lose communication with the vehicle, causing the system to think there's a malfunction. Other times, the system simply needs to be recalibrated. Some clients mentioned that after rotating the tires or adjusting the pressure, resetting the module solved the problem. To give you an example, a technician explained to me the system doesn't always correctly detect the position of each tire. A reset resynchronizes everything and the system works normally again. There are also cases where the vehicle's electronics play a role in the problem. Some customers reported that disconnecting the battery for a few minutes or updating the module's software allowed the sensors to communicate properly with the dashboard again. Chevrolet even published technical bulletins stating that in certain models, the pressure sensors can deteriorate faster than normal, so they recommend replacing them in specific cases. And to make sure you don't run into these kinds of problems, I recommend you watch the video that's shown on your screen. So go ahead and check it out.